Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest insights into the best products on the market. Today, we have something truly special for all you adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts out there. This right here is the best super torch currently available, and we're diving deep into what makes it shine. Now, what makes this torch stand out? Let's start with its build quality. Crafted with durability in mind, it's designed to withstand the toughest environments. Whether you're hiking through rugged terrain or exploring caves deep underground, equipped with a powerful LED light, it boasts an impressive lumens, ensuring you have clear visibility even in the darkest of nights. And here's the kicker. It's rechargeable, so you can say goodbye to constantly buying batteries. Charging is quick and hassle-free, thanks to the included charging cable. Simply plug it in at home or in your car and you're good to go for hours on end. Whether you're camping with friends, navigating through a power outage, or simply need a reliable light source for emergencies, this torch delivers. It's lightweight and compact, fitting perfectly into your backpack or glove compartment. And let's talk about versatility. It comes with a handy light kit and batteries, ready for immediate use right out of the box. No more scrambling to find the right accessories. Everything you need is right here. But it's not just about functionality. This torch is also committed to sustainability. It's carbon-free certified and part of the Climate Pledge Friendly program, making it a conscious choice for eco-minded consumers. Now, let's address durability. Constructed from premium materials, it's designed to last. Whether rain or shine, this torch keeps going, ensuring reliability when you need it most. So, whether you're an avid adventurer or preparing for unexpected situations, this best super torch is your ultimate companion. Reliable, powerful, and eco-friendly. What more could you ask for? That wraps up our deep dive into the best super torch. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more details and to make your purchase. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more reviews on top-notch products like this. Until next time, stay illuminated.